So now it's not quite freezing anymore, at least warm enough that the surface temperature out here is not cold enough for it to stay frozen. It's transitioning. Everything transitions. And it's kind of sleeting and raining. And it's supposed to do this for a few hours. And then it's within about 4 or 5 hours, I think, going to start to freeze again. And then we are supposed to have the 2 most hellaciously cold days in a very, very long time. I don't know if you can see, but there is a pupper out there. Holly buddy, come here. Hi, baby. She wanted to go out, but that's all she wanted. Gruntles. Gruntles. Oh. Weather extremes.